Hey friends, it's Rachel with the Ponds Farmhouse, and today I am going to be completing my series of corn stalk crafts for fall. Today I'm going to be sharing how to do a really rustic corn shuck wreath that you could use indoors or out. I'm using a grapevine wreath that I have used for many projects. It's actually one that I foraged myself, went out into the woods and gathered the grapevine and twisted it up. So it's kind of a loose looking vine here. I've got the tops off of corn stalks along with some husks, and we're going to put together a fun, rustic corn shuck wreath. So let's get started.
We're beginning with the corn stalk tassels, and we're just using a little bit of hot glue to attach them to the outer edges of the grapevine wreath. Next, we're ready to add some bundles of corn husks to the grapevine wreath. So what I'm doing is I'm just tying up about 6 or 7 pieces of the husk with some jute twine, and I'm being sure that I leave quite a bit of extra string on there so that it can be tied to the actual grapevine itself. Now we're just tying those bundles of husk to the grapevine using the twine, the jute twine. Just drop it down underneath the grapevine and tie it on the back side. Be sure that you're overlapping the pieces, leaving the pointy ends of the husk exposed as you go around and completely cover it. I'm just taking several pieces of the husk and folding them in half. Add in a little